To manifest the reality you want, you need to create a new version of yourself and leave behind the old version. Neville Goddard talks about this idea in his book, Feeling is the Secret. In this video, we will discuss why Neville Goddard urges us to let go of our old selves and embrace our new selves. Make sure to watch this video till the end because what I'm going to share with you will make manifestation easier for you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more videos. So let's get started. Many people who use the law of assumption to achieve their goals and desires may not be aware of certain concepts. In my opinion, everyone needs guidance. This sentence from Neville Goddard can be quite puzzling. Before delving into a deep study to understand it, Neville Goddard famously advised his students to let go of their old selves, release the strong beliefs they once held, and firmly believe that they are already the person they desire to be. If they don't do this, their old beliefs will resurface and turn the desired state into a lie. However, if they stick to this new belief, they will be guided toward realizing that desired state. This process is often referred to as rebirth in the Bible. Neville suggested that to transform their world and completely reinvent themselves, individuals must let go of their old selves. To assess how engaged you are with your current self, you must set aside your old self. How committed are you to who you are right now? How deeply ingrained are you in your current mindset? If you want to establish a new reality, you must let go of the old one. It's not easy to instantly let go of the old you because your current reality has been a part of you for a long time. It will take time to detach from it. However, I have a suggestion for you. If you try to let go all at once, you will struggle and feel frustrated, stressed, and anxious. My suggestion is to gradually release your current situation and your old self. Your daily routines, habits, physical appearance, thoughts, and assumptions are just a few aspects that contribute to your current reality. As you already know, they have all influenced the reality you experience today. Because you are unique and special due to your qualities and inner self, a significant shift in your mindset is needed to let go of your old self. You will also need to change your personality. If you need to change everything gradually, including your behavior, thoughts, and appearance, it means you must eliminate each negative behavior and limit belief one by one. This is how you can completely transform yourself into a fresher and better version. It is important to apply the law of assumption. So why do many people complain that it didn't work for them or didn't bring the desired results? However, the law of assumption is always valid. It can benefit everything and everyone. If you don't get what you want, it's probably your fault. Likely you didn't understand and put into practice the true ideas of the law of assumption. For example, it's important to grasp the concept of leaving behind your old self and starting anew to achieve your goals. You know that according to the law of assumption, you need to change what you assume to change your reality. But it's not just about assumptions. It's also about changing your mindset to change your reality. Your reality might be having $1,000 in your pocket right now, but that would still be your reality even if you had $1,000 but wanted $3,000. Do you think you can just wish or imagine that you have $3,000 and it will magically appear? No one can make something happen just based on assumptions. That's for sure. Change your reality and mental state to live in the state of having what you want. If you want to manifest something, you have to believe and act as if you already have it. It means that you shouldn't just hope that your wishes will come true. You have to continue behaving as if you already have what you desire, even if it hasn't happened yet. Maybe you're still wondering why you need to let go of your old self. So let me explain in more detail. It means that you have to release your attachment to your old self and accept your current circumstances as they are. This means you shouldn't even entertain the thought of being discouraged. You shouldn't believe that your desired outcome hasn't already occurred. You shouldn't focus on what you lack. Instead, you should only focus on your assumptions and take actions that align with your intended reality. If you behave in ways that indicate you have achieved your goal, everything will become easier. To become your desired self, you first need to let go of your old self. Understanding and acting on this idea will make it your reality. Many people claim that they haven't manifested their desires, but the truth is that they didn't understand this important principle and did nothing about it. Simply put, they assumed things would change on their own. Perhaps they misunderstood the law of assumptions. Your current reality is shaped by your existing beliefs, assumptions, and thoughts. Our imagination creates reality. Do you think you can change your external, tangible reality without changing your thoughts, beliefs, or perceptions? You can't. Before your physical world changes, you need to change your assumptions, beliefs, and thoughts. So it's crucial to let go of your old self physically, mentally, and spiritually if you want to transform yourself physically. To bring about a real change in your life, you need to start by changing your thoughts and imagination. Until you make this shift in your thinking, you won't see any tangible changes. It's not easy to break free from the person you've been for many years, but you can gradually stop identifying with that version of yourself and start engaging with the person you truly want to be. By changing your mindset, you gain the ability to participate in or disengage from certain activities as you see fit. This is the key to experiencing what you desire. The issue right now is that many people in the field of manifesting are trying to fix things in their external reality without changing their mental states. They want new experiences, but are hesitant to undergo inner transformations. For example, they might try to win back someone they've lost. However, it's important to realize that by trying to fix the problem in this way, they are actually perpetuating it and making their pain worse. According to the law of manifestation, they won't be able to achieve their desires. Instead, they can manifest the desired state of mind by shifting from their current state to one that aligns with their desires, even in relation to someone they already know. If they want to materialize a new relationship, they should create a fresh connection rather than continue an existing one. Maintaining the same old relationship will inevitably lead to the same outcome. It's crucial to understand that if they attract a specific person into their life without changing themselves, they will lose that person again, just as they did before. This is a common problem among people. People often wish to bring a new person into their lives while still holding on to their old selves. They may have lost their current individual due to their present reality. It's also worth noting that they will lose the new person if their reality, their self, or their state of being remain unchanged. To welcome a new person into their lives, they must first become a new version of themselves. They shouldn't try to fix the problem by simply bringing someone new into their life. Instead, they should focus on improving themselves, their thoughts, and their state of being. By making these changes, they can avoid unnecessary suffering and the loss of future relationships. According to Neville Goddard, if they lost a relationship or anything else, it was their own fault. They have the power to become who they want to be and achieve their desires. They simply need to enter the state of already having or becoming the person they aspire to be. Neville Goddard suggests that to truly transform oneself, it's important to shift one's attention away from the current self without deceiving oneself. Instead, they should assume that their desired outcome has already been fulfilled. Living in a state that reflects your assumptions and goals is crucial because assumptions alone are not enough to create tangible outcomes. It requires a shift in your mindset and perception of yourself and the world around you. Instead of being fixated on your current circumstances, you need to detach yourself from them and focus on the state you desire to be in. To convince yourself of the validity of your assumptions, it is important to let go of your past identity and embrace the person you want to become. This means releasing any attachments to your previous self-image and allowing room for growth and transformation. By detaching yourself from your present reality, you open up the space for new possibilities and opportunities to manifest. It's understandable that initially, this concept may seem unclear or even challenging to grasp. However, it is a simple and practical approach once you fully comprehend its essence. The key is to shift your perspective from lacking what you desire to already have it. This shift in mindset aligns you with the vibrational frequency of abundance and success, allowing you to attract and manifest your desires more effortlessly. Whether you seek financial prosperity, fulfilling relationships, a fulfilling career, abundance in all aspects of life, or simply overall happiness, the process remains the same. You must transition from a state of feeling deprived or lacking to a state of feeling abundant and fulfilled. By embodying the emotions and beliefs associated with your desired state, you show that you are ready to receive and experience it. The teachings of Neville Goddard emphasize the power of assumption and its direct influence on your reality. By assuming the identity and circumstances of your desired state, you are actively participating in the creation of your destiny. It's a call to take responsibility for your thoughts, beliefs, and actions, recognizing that they shape your experience of reality. Once you grasp the true principles of the law of assumption and put them into practice, you can begin to observe the profound effects they have on your life. Success, in whatever form it may take for you, is within your reach. It's a matter of aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the state you desire and taking consistent steps toward its realization. So if you truly want to manifest your desire, let go of who you are at this moment and step into the person you aspire to be. Your dreams and aspirations are waiting for you to claim them. Trust in the process, have faith in your abilities, and watch as your assumptions shape your reality in remarkable ways. The possibilities are limitless, and the choice to manifest the life you truly desire is in your hands. The law of assumption works for everyone and everything. You just need to have faith in that manifestation process or the technique that you are using. I hope I delivered a very detailed analysis of this amazing method by Neville Goddard, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.